Washington's leadership in aerospace is built on more than a century of aviation expertise, and that legacy is helping attract the next generation of aerospace innovation.
Commerce took the initiative to spotlight a few key aerospace innovation hubs around the state. In this specific instance, we had a whole panel on sustainable aviation fuel development.
We heard today from companies that one of the reasons that they chose Washington State is because of the choices the legislature has made to support the development of sustainable aviation fuel.
It really makes this a really compelling place to come and invest in sustainable aviation fuels.
The supportive policy environment is one key factor, but that's only part of the equation.
We're in a position here in eastern Washington where we have a lot of open space. We heard that from the panelists today. So it gives an opportunity for aircraft to do a lot of flight testing. We don't have issues with noise. You know, the people here most truly understand aviation, how important it is to this community. And so nobody worries about it. Nobody talks about it. I mean, aviation's been going on here since I was a small child.
Home to one of the nation's largest airports by land area, Grant County International Airport provides the space, infrastructure, and aviation-friendly environment needed to support emerging aerospace technologies.
So it's a community that accepts it, embraces it, and loves it, and it just fits.
Between supportive policies, strategic infrastructure, and industry collaboration, one key theme is emerging.
We are a leader. The state of Washington is a leader of the world.
If Washington is a leader, then we can really have a leg up as we go forward, not just in the U.S., but globally.
For commerce, this work sits at the intersection of two core priorities: strengthening Washington's energy future and growing its economy.
It's exciting to have commerce employees from both divisions here together to support sustainable aviation fuel and the growth of that industry here in Washington.